Today, we're going to show you how to use AC Pro to recharge the AC in your car. You're going to need the AC Pro itself, as well as safety protection goggles and gloves. The first thing we're going to do is find the low side port on our 1991 Acura NSX, which for us is right here. Next, we're going to turn on the car and put the AC on high and recirculate. Our next step is to attach the quick connect to the low port side so that we can see what our reading is right now. Now that it is attached, we can see that we are just a little low on our fill. Now that we've done our initial reading, we are going to remove this cap and remove the safety spacer so that we can open the can and connect it. This is also when we need to shake the can to make sure we have mixed up all of the materials. Now we're going to reattach the top. It's going to pierce the can and allow us to access the materials inside. Now we're going to reattach to our low side port. And we can see here how it's reading. Now we want to make sure we do not cross out of the green area, so we're just going to do short bursts. I'm going to pull the trigger and turn from 12 to 3 while it's filling for just a few seconds. All right, now that we've done that brief fill, we've checked it again and we are right in the middle of the green. We don't want to do any more because we don't want to risk overfilling. And now I'm feeling out the car and this AC definitely feels a lot cooler. Thanks for watching.